Are you still paying hundreds of dollars just to activate Windows or Microsoft Office? Most people don't even realize there's a smarter way to get the same genuine software keys at a fraction of the cost. Imagine upgrading your PC today with Windows 11 Pro or Office 2021 Pro for under $40 instead of $200. Sounds impossible? Well, not anymore. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now so you don't miss more money-saving tech tips. Let me introduce you to Keysfan.com. This isn't some shady reseller. Keysfan is a trusted online store with over 100,000 registered customers. They provide 100% genuine OEM keys for Windows, Microsoft Office, and even bundles that include both. The best part? Every license is officially recognized and can be activated online instantly. Plus, their 24/7 customer support is there if you ever need help. So not only do you save money, you also get peace of mind knowing your software is legit and secure. Now here's where it gets exciting. Keysfan is running a special limited time promotion. With coupon code MO50, you get 50% off Windows keys. And with coupon code MO62, you get a massive 62% off Microsoft Office and bundles. That means Windows 11 Pro for just $14,999, Windows 10 Pro for only $966, and Office 2021 Pro for just $34.92. Yes, you heard that right. Full Office 2021 Pro for less than the price of a dinner out. If you've been waiting to upgrade your PC or legitimize your software, this is your chance. Let me show you how easy it is to grab these deals. First, click the link in my description or pinned comment. It'll take you straight to the Windows Deals page. Next, choose the product you want. For example, Windows 11 Pro or Office 2021 Pro. Hit Add to Cart. At checkout, just enter the coupon code MO50 or MO62, depending on what you're buying. You'll instantly see the discount applied. Then simply pay with PayPal or a credit card. Within minutes, you'll receive your activation key by email, ready to use. And here's the kicker. You're not limited to just Windows or Office. Keysfan also has bundles where you can grab Windows 11 Pro plus Office 2021 Pro together for only 40 Sidsu 70 tel. That's an entire PC upgrade package for less than $50. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a gamer, these bundles are hands down the smartest investment you can make for your computer right now. Now, here's the most important thing you need to know. This massive Keysfan promotion isn't forever. It's a limited time event, and once it's over, prices go right back up. Think about it. Windows 11 Pro for just $14.59 or Office 2021 Pro for $34.92. These deals are basically unheard of anywhere else. If you've been putting off upgrading, don't wait too long, because missing out could mean paying 10 times more later. Grab it while the sale lasts. So to sum it up, Keysfan isn't just the place for Windows and Office deals. It's your all-in-one shop for affordable software, whether you're on PC or Mac, working, gaming, or creating. Check out the links in the description, grab those coupon codes, and start upgrading your digital life today. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment to let me know which software deal you're grabbing. I'll see you in the next one.